What's up, gang? I'm back with another mod, and today I'm gonna be installing my front splitter. Okay, this comes into 3 pieces. I got the option. I ordered both colors. I got the option either red rods or black rods. I'm not too sure yet. Um, this is the little instructions that came with it. This is the little $95 kit from AutoZone. This is plastic, and it comes in like a gloss black color. Um, let's get into it, okay? So this is the before, you guys. All right, let me put it together, and I'll be right back. So we got this. Just like that picture. See? I just drill that inside there. Okay. Let's go. Before I do any drilling, I'm about to see how it fits. Alright. Okay, gang, back eight. So I didn't mount anything up yet. I just placed it to see if it'll fit and see if it'll look okay. It's alright. It's a little cheap. A little cheap for me, but for I think it was $89 with tax 94. Not too bad. Okay, so I'm about to drill the holes and mount it up. Okay, it doesn't say it in the instructions, but I'm gonna screw these 3 screws in. It's the only 3 that matches, and they're black. And I don't want to screw it on the front side, so I'm gonna screw it back here. All right. piece. Looks good. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to be drilling into this plastic, just like the picture shows. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to be using the only 2 screws that make sense, which is these. They don't really tell you in detail here, but I believe those go there. So what I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole so I'll have a guidance. That's a little small. It's okay. Could do bigger, but it's okay. So let's go ahead and drill into this plastic, which is really crazy. So we're gonna go about right here. Let's see. Looks like it's got like some kind of pre-holes in it, kinda. So right here. Ooh, they're bent. It's that Harbor Freight. Oh man, that Harbor Freight shit is annoying. I'm trying to bend that back straight. So I got my hole. Thank God. So let's see if that's big enough. Not might have to go up one more. Which is it? It's okay. Can't believe it's just horrible. I'm happy I only paid 20 bucks for it, man. For this kit, cause this sucks. Okay. Same process on this side. Then I finally got all the bolts and screws put together. Now I just have to bolt it to the car. Here's all the rest of the screws I have that came with the kit. And these two, not too sure where these two go. So they must be important because there's only two, and then you have all these. So, okay, in a minute. So I have to bring my jack out. It's too low to actually go underneath the car. So I'm gonna jack it up and I'll be right back. I actually have enough clearance now to get underneath there and drill this on there. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna have my rods, if I'm gonna have them cocked out or straight up. But alright, let's get into it, guys. Let's go. Okay, gang. So far, so good. I got it mounted on each side. I haven't done the middle mounts yet. And that's what it's looking at. Still not done. I think I'm gonna pull the lip out a little bit more. Okay, I'll be right back.